and welcome to UX Shortcast. Every day, I handpick the hottest articles from the last 24 hours to bring you the coolest and most exciting updates. Get ready for a quick yet catchy snapshot of what's new and buzzing in user experience. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump in. Today, on January 27th, I have the pleasure of inviting you to another episode of UX Shortcast. John Upshaw penned an article titled, "Why the New AI Pin Will Be a Usability Nightmare," where he criticizes a new tech gadget called the AI Pin. This little device clips onto your shirt and lets you do things like play music, send messages, and keep track of what you eat just by talking to it. Bill Gates thinks it's the future, but Upshaw isn't convinced. One big issue is the beacon light, which is supposed to alert you to notifications. It's placed awkwardly, making it hard to see unless you stare down at your chest, which can be rude if you're talking to someone. Upshaw argues that the AI pin is trying to fix problems that don't exist and ends up making social interactions more awkward instead. In the piece, Learning to Prioritize, Product Analysis Using the Kano Model by Takuma Kakehi, we get a playbook on how to make sure we're building products that folks actually like. Kano Model's a smart way to figure out what customers really want. Imagine you're sprucing up a car. Some things like brakes are must-haves. That's your basic needs. Then you've got stuff like horsepower, where more is usually better. That's performance needs. And who doesn't love a surprise sunroof? Those are your excitement features. So here's the deal. You ask customers 2 questions about each part of the product. One checks if they'd be happy with the feature, functional question, and the other checks if they'd miss it if it wasn't there, dysfunctional question. Then you sort their answers into those categories, must-haves, nice-to-haves, and so on. This helps you know what to focus on so you don't waste time on things people don't care about. It's like choosing where to put your effort so you can win big with your customers. Thank you for listening, and I invite you to another dose of knowledge tomorrow.